Me, Camilla. Look at it. Sweetie, can you sit? Oh, sit and then give me paw. Oh, sweet baby. Look at these cute little freckles on her nose. Put your nose down so we can see those freckles. Oh, look at her. She loves belly rubs. I lay down for a belly rub, don't you? So I'm a big softie. Yes, you are. You're a big sweetie, aren't you? Look at her laying out. You're sitting for attention. Good girl. Look at that. So she has those nice black pigment markings. I know. Get black on those eyelids and the nose and the lids. And you're so sweet. You want to play fetch? Huh? You want to start to play fetch? You want a duck? Go get it. Here we go. She said, no, I like you, Mommy. I'm just going to follow you around. You're begging for attention. I know. I love her. See, I'm a lover. I think you're smiling. Are you smiling? No, that's a good baby, Mommy. That's a good baby. That's a good baby girl. Yes, you are. Oh, yes, you are. Good baby girl. You're a big baby girl. Yes, you are. Good baby girl. Good baby girl. Good baby girl. Oh, you are? Oh, good baby girl. What, you want to play? You want me to play with you? You do? You want to play fetch? I'll just get you wound up, won't I? Yeah, there's the rope toy I threw out there for you to play fetch. You want to play fetch? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. You're more interested in me and the camera. Oh, there's the belly rub again. Get that belly rub out there because I'm a big sweetie. See those freckles. Look at that. Freckle, freckle, freckle. I'll call you Freckles. I love your freckles. Look at you. I'm a gorgeous, sweet girl. I just want to obey. And I'm a sweetheart. Try to get some still pictures of you too. So she is an F1B. Hypoallergenic non-shedding because her parents are DNA coat typed. So tested to make sure that they're not going to shed and they're hypoallergenic. Just going to lay at my feet. So that's their energy level inside. Grab a toy, lay by your feet. Sweet girl. Okay, we get some still pictures of you then. Yeah, sweetheart. So it's your toy box. They're not destructive chewers. I've never had one chew up my house. You just need to give them a toy box and show them where their toys are so they know which toys are theirs and what they're allowed to play with. I love the way she's sprawled out on the floor. Shows she has healthy hips. Along with the fact that many generations of her ancestors have OFA, hips, elbows, patellas, cardiacs. Very healthy lineage. She'll be with you for a good 15 to 18 years. What's over there? Camilla. What's over there, huh?